Hi everyone, welcome to our second tutorial. In this video, we will discuss the data collection in Web Assistance. First, to open the Question Designer, double-click on the question icon. In Advicenode, questions are organized into groups, pages, and entries. A question entry represents the question that will be displayed to the user. A question page is a single page holding set of questions. A question group can hold any number of related question pages. We will create a new question group. Group name is a mandatory field. It represents the identifier of the group. This name must be unique across the other question groups. Group title represents the title of the question group. In group description, you should describe the question group briefly. Finally, I will upload a banner for this group. The group title, description, and banner will be displayed in all the group pages. Now, I will click Save to have the question group created. To create a question page inside the new group, I will click on Add New Page. The page name is like the group name. It is a unique identifier for the question page within the group. I will call it Page 1. The title represents the page title. I will leave it blank for now. The same for description and users. Now, we have a question group having a question page. Let's create our first question. I will expand the question page and then click on Add New Question. As you can see here, I need to define some basic information about the question. Let's check the question type. The question answer can be collected through an input text, a drop-down list, an information table, or an image list. I will choose an image list for this question. I will define only two possible answers, one for cats and one for dogs. I won't define any logic for this question, so I will click Save. Let's drop the default group. Now, I'll open the simulation to see the new question we defined. Here we go. As defined, there are only two possible answers for this question. Let's get back to the Question Designer. Now, I will define another one for the pet gender. This time, I will choose a drop-down list control. Let's see how our new question looks. I will define another one for holding the pet age. As the pet age can be any number, I will select an input text control. I will set a lower and upper bound for the answer range. User won't be able to enter any number less than the 0 or more than 240. Let's see the new question. Here it is. Now, I will define a new question group for holding the pet information. I will upload a banner for it. Let's define a question about the pet breed. As we have only 2 types of pets, we will define just 2 questions, one for dogs and one for cats. Now, I will define the cat question. I will also define some logic for it to control its visibility. I will define a logic rule for this question. This rule will make the question visible only if the user selected a dog in the first question. Let's see the new questions. Here we go. If you have any questions or need any help, please feel free to ask in discuss.advicenode.com. Thanks for watching.